Hello, today we are going to install Budgie Desktop 10.3 on Ubuntu 17.4. As you can see, this is the instruction to install it on Ubuntu 17.4. If you have Ubuntu 16.4, you can install it with this commands. This should work on any of the Ubuntu flavors of 17.4 and of 16.4 and 16.10. And of course, it will work on the Ubuntu Budgie or Ubuntu Budgie Remix, which it was known in 16.4 and 16.10. So let's start. I'm running Ubuntu 17.4 on this system, so I will use these commands. So basically, you open up a terminal. You will need a terminal for this installation. And then we can just copy this like a machine and paste it, press enter, type a password. It will look like we don't type anything, but just type it in faith and press enter and you will see something like this. Then you can press enter again and now let's get the next command. Copy and paste, and I think this might take a while, but we first have to press enter to tell him install this immediately. It won't take so long actually. So let's press enter, because you can see here's a Y and an N. Since we use a no, but the Y is in capital, so if you press enter it will take the command is in capital as the one you choose, or you can just press a Y or and press enter. I'm gonna fast forward this part just to make the video a bit shorter and not to waste so much of your time. Wonderful, this was super quick. So let's close both these windows and let's log out of our system and now wait a moment and then we go to this little icon here. You can see Budgie Desktop, click here, type a password, press enter, and Budgie should open up on your system now. If everything worked correctly. Yeah. Yeah, this is clearly Budgie. You can see this Budgie Desktop. Very simple to install it. I like it. I really do like it. Yeah, thank you for watching and goodbye.